Kikubor ke bebnya. Ka Kynhun Myntri jong ka soka pedeng ne ka sngi ka la ai ka jing Mynjur jong ka ya ka jing terwa ya Kawei ka Jaitbynriew Kawei ka Elekshon. Ka balong Kawei na ki jing kular ba kongsan jong ka seng BJP la ban ka dau ba ka ne ka bil la ban wanra hapo yeng dorbar jong ka dorbar telang. Nitish Kumar jong ka seng JDU bat u Chirak Paswan na ka LGP ki la ai jing kershan halo ka ne ka jing terwa.
A large number of political parties across the political spectrum have actually supported the One Nation, One Election initiative. When they interacted with the high-level committee, they gave their inputs in a very succinct manner, with a lot of clarity. Our government believes in creating a consensus on items which affect our democracy, our nation in the long run, and this is a subject, this is a topic which really will strengthen our democracy, will strengthen the center-state relations, will make sure that our country grows at a much faster pace, will remove so many impediments which come in the growth of our country.
Ka Myntri kat nat plating ka jong ka